morning, everybody. I am Manas from grade 7. Today, I would like to talk about the evolution of modern medicines. The first medicine was taken by Upendra Nath of visceral lethalness in 1929. Yoga. Yoga is really old. It started nearly 600 BCE. But we still practice yoga every day in our daily lives. Indian government also said that it is very useful. We also do celebrate International Yoga Day. A gel. In 2011, a gel that protects farmers from fertilizers was created. It is made of nano shield named polyoxime. Vaccines. What are vaccines? Vaccines help us to prevent diseases and viruses. Vaccinations. In India, polio was the first vaccination taken in 2003. Rotavirus. From 2010 to 2012, rotavirus was designed in India. This was a major achievement because even polio was designed, it had failed in India, but rotavirus did not. COVID-19. In December 31st, 2019, WHO declares the new virus COVID-19 a deadly virus cum disease. Vaccines. In 2021, we have successfully created a vaccine for SARS-CoV-19. Thank you.